What's up guys, my name is Benji and welcome back to another video. And just as I promised, here I am making this video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to jailbreak iOS 11 to iOS 11.1.2 and also show you guys how to install themes and tweaks using this jailbreak. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now there are a few things to note before you do this. Number one, you need to be on iOS 11.1.2 or under. You cannot be on iOS 11.2 or 11.2.1. Apparently there will be an update in the future, but for now there is no iOS 11.2 jailbreak. But you need that, and you also need access to a computer. This can be a PC or a Mac, and you need to install Cydia Impactor, and I will drop all links for these in the description below. And basically that's how you will install the IPA for the jailbreak. So you need Cydia Impactor, and you also need the Electra Jailbreak IPA, which will be linked in the description below as well. All you have to do is click that link, and then it will take you to a page where there's a download button. You click on the download button, and then you will have the IPA download onto your computer. Then after that, you want to plug your phone into your computer, open up Cydia Impactor, and drag the IPA to Cydia Impactor. And then once you've done that, it will ask you for your Apple ID email address. You put that in, and you also put in the password, and then it will start signing automatically to your device. Now just a quick note, you will need to repeat this process every 7 days if you do not have an Apple developer account. If you do have an Apple developer account, then the profile will last a year, so you should be fine with that. But if you have just a regular Apple ID, you will have to repeat this process every 7 days if you want to jailbreak. So once Electra has been installed on your device, all you have to do is go into Settings, General, Profiles and Device Management, tap on the profile that's shown there, tap Trust, and then once you've done all that, go into the Electra app and tap Jailbreak, and the jailbreak process will begin. And then once it's rebooted, congratulations, your phone is now jailbroken. Sorry, Steve. Now this jailbreak is semi-untethered, so basically what that means is every time you reboot your device, so power it off and power it back on, you will need to reopen the app and re-jailbreak. So that is how you jailbreak your device. So let's get into how you install themes and tweaks. Alright, so now that you're on your computer, you need to install a program called CyberDuck. Now I will drop the link to this in the description below. It is for both Mac and PC, I think. If not, I will link a PC alternative down in the description. And then what you want to go ahead and do is connect your device. So you go up here to Open Connection. You want to select SFTP SSH File Transfer Protocol, and then you have to put in your phone's IP address. So you can find that by going into your settings, Wi-Fi, and then tap the I next to your connected Wi-Fi network, and your IP address should be there. So now that you know your IP address, you want to type it into CyberDuck, and then here where it says username, the username is root unless you have changed it, and the password is Alpine. That is ALPINE. And then you click connect, wait a little bit, and then it should be connected to your device. But before you install any tweak, make sure it is compatible with iOS 11. I will link a spreadsheet to all of the tested tweaks in the description below, so then you can make sure that it will work for iOS 11 and it won't break your phone or like do anything like that. Alright, so then you want the dev file of the tweak you want to install on the desktop here. And I'm going to use Cylinder as an example here. You have to open it up. You have to click data. Of course, you need to unarchive this. You'll have to download a software like the Unarchiver from the Apple App Store on your computer. I will also drop an alternative for PCs in the description below. Then you want to click on the data file here, and then it will give you a folder which is called data. You want to click into that. It will show you library, and then here you've got all of the packages you have to install into CyberDuck. So then in CyberDuck, you want to go up here, you want to go to your root folder, and then you want to go to Bootstrap and then library, and here you've got all of these folders right here. Cylinder does require an extra step, so that is why I'm showing you how to install Cylinder, because there's a lot of tweaks that do require this extra step. But with other tweaks, it's super simple. You have these 3 files in pretty much any tweak. Some might not have some of these, and some might have all of these, and some might also have more. For example, Cylinder has the Cylinder folder here. But anyway, we're going to start off with mobile substrate here. You want to go into here until you have these 2 files here, and then you want to go into SB inject. And of course, I already have the tweak installed, but I'm going to show you anyways. So you want to drag those 2 files into there, and then they should upload to your phone, and now they're on your phone. When you go into preference bundles, you want to go into preference bundles on here, drag this in there, and then once that's done, you want to go into preference loader, preferences, and you want to do the same in here, and you want to drag this file right there. And then that is how you pretty much install almost any tweak. It is pretty self-explanatory. All of the files apart from mobile substrate have the same name, so you might also have a couple of tweaks that have application support, so then you put the file that is in application support into application support. Some may have launch daemons, whatever it's called. And that's pretty much how you install almost any tweak. I'll show you the extra step you need to take for Cylinder. So you're going to go into your root folder here, and you want to go into library, and you just want to drag the whole Cylinder folder in here. So that's pretty easy to do as well. Okay, so then after you've done all that, you want to respring your device. Now, the quickest way to do this is to go into Anemone, which is the app that installs right after you jailbreak, and you want to tap on preview, and then tap apply, and it will respring your device. And then that is it. That is how you install Cylinder on your device. It should be working completely fine now. You can go into the settings and change everything and stuff. So pretty easy to install these tweaks. It's still harder than installing them via Cydia. Until Saurik pushes out an update for Cydia to support iOS 11, we'll have to use this method every time we want to install a tweak. But the more you do it, the easier it will get, and you will be able to install tweaks super fast, just like me. Alright, so to install themes, it's actually a lot easier, but it is a bit of a similar process. So you still want to be using CyberDuck and everything, and that unarchiver thing that I've shown you before to basically unzip your folders and stuff. So then you want to go into your root folder again. You want to go into Bootstrap, Library, and then you want to go into themes. This is the folder you'll be installing your tweaks in, and they will show up on Anemone on your phone. Anemone should install automatically when you use Electra. So instead of installing Cydia, it installs Anemone, so that you can install themes and stuff on there. Alright, so you need to have the theme you want to download on here on the desktop. You want to open it up and click on data. Alright, so then we have the data folder here. You want to open it up, go into library, go into themes, and here is the theme we're going to be installing. You don't want to go all the way in here because that's not what you have to do. You basically drag this into your themes folder, and that's pretty much it. That's everything you have to do. And then once you've installed your themes, you go into Anemone, and then you just go into here and you select the theme that you picked. Some of them will come with multiple folders, so just select the ones that you have downloaded. I've got a ton here, so it won't look the same for you. And then you tap preview, and then you tap apply, and it will respring your device, and the theme you have picked should be on your home screen. And there you go. That is how you install themes and tweaks onto your jailbroken iOS 11 device. So there you go, guys. That is how to jailbreak your iOS 11 to iOS 11.1.2 device, and also how to install tweaks and themes. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and it was useful to you. If it was, let me know by leaving a thumbs up down below. And also, if you didn't enjoy this video and there was something wrong with it, you can leave a dislike, but please let me know down in the comment section below why you didn't enjoy the video and what I can do to improve on in the future. And if you have any jailbreak tweaks you want me to check out, or you're having any problems, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will help you guys out. And of course, if you are new around here and you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below, and also click the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. And guys, you can also go follow me on social media. All the links will be in the description below or right here. And also, you can go support me on Patreon. The link for that will be in the description below. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Benji, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.